everyone, good to see you. And if you're new here, I'm Dolores, better known as the Baking Diva. Well, a couple of months ago, there was a new bakery item at Costco, and I did a video on it because as soon as I found out it was in the stores, I zoomed over there because it was a peanut butter pie. And I love peanut butter, my son and my hubby do. And so I went over and bought it, and oh, that thing weighed 5 pounds. It's big and heavy, and it was really, really good. I think it was like $19.99, but it's big. And we loved it, and I did a little video on it. So if you want to see that, you can go back and look. But then I read somewhere the other day that Costco's bakery department had another brand new baby. And it was called a green chili cornbread loaf. And I thought, well, I'm not big on chili. I like cornbread. And I was going over there a couple of days ago, and I said, let me see if they had it. And of course, while I was there, I bought another peanut butter pie. That's half gone already. Well, anyway, I found the cornbread, and it's almost, let me think, I think it's probably close to 2 pounds. It's pretty darn heavy. It was right in the bakery department in a box like this. And they were selling it for $6.99, so I bought one. Now I read some reviews on it. Let me take it out of the box. And some people were saying they loved it. Some people were saying, they didn't love it. This is what it looks like, and I'll put a still picture in for you. It smells good, but I've never put chili in my cornbread, so I'm not really sure what it's going to taste like. So I wanted to buy it especially for you, so we could be the guinea pigs here and give this a taste testing and see what we thought. So I'm going to cut it. I have some butter here. I happen to have purchased this in Trader Joe's. It's their spreadable Irish butter with canola oil. Usually we buy the other one, the other Irish butter, but I was in Trader Joe's and I saw this and I said, I'm going to try it. And actually, I like it. It says made with milk from grass-fed cows. So I'm going to open this because I want to spread some butter on my cornbread. So let me see if I can slice this. It's been sitting in my kitchen and everybody's like, when you doing the review? When you doing the review? We want to taste it. So let me get this piece out of here. Here we go. All right, I'll put this aside. Now, I can see it's cornbread and I can see little, I'll try to zoom in, little green chilies in there. Now, they're not supposed to be hot or real spicy chilies because I wouldn't like them if they were. Not big on hot, spicy food. So let me get my butter. And this is an honest review. I bought this for with my own money. Like I say, it was $6.99. I'm going to spread some butter on this. And I'm going to tell you what I think of it. Now, just because I may like it or not like it doesn't mean you'll feel the same. Everybody has different taste buds. But I'm going to give this a try. See that? And see what I think. I've heard some people say, oh, it's a combination of sweet with a little spice. I heard some people say it has a buttery flavor. I've heard people say they love it, and I've heard others say, no, they didn't care for it. So I'm just going to give you my own personal opinion. So let me dig into this. Just a minute. Well, first of all, I will tell you it's sweet. It is a sweet cornbread flavor. Now you do get that taste of the little green chilies in there, but they're not hot at all. And they're not spicy. They just have that little green chili flavor. Let me take another little bite. It is moist. I like it. I definitely like it with the butter on it. And like I said, not spicy at all, because I don't like spicy food. And if this was spicy, or the chilies were hot and spicy, I wouldn't like it. So I'm getting mostly the sweet cornbread taste with a little hint of those green chilies in it. Not a lot, just a very little bit. So I think it's good. I mean, I have no problem eating it. It tastes good to me. I think it would be perfect served with a nice bowl of chili. The fall's coming, and I like to make chili in the fall. But it's sweet, maybe a little buttery flavor, and I did put butter on it. And then once you swallow it, you just get a little touch of that green chili flavor. So if I had to rate this, I would rate it a 2 thumbs up. I think it's good. And like I said, I really wanted to do this review on it because it's new. It's their new little baby in their bakery department. Honestly, I haven't found too many things in the Costco bakery department that I don't like. So yeah, I give this a 2 thumbs up. If you're in Costco or you have a Costco near you, give it a try. Like I say, look at this. It's heavy. It's at least 2 pounds. It's gonna go far. And it'll be great served with chili or, something else, like that. So I hope you like this little baby review on Costco's new baby in their bakery department. And oh, you know what? I should tell you this. Besides, if you didn't already subscribe to my channel, go hit that subscribe, because I love to do baking of all sorts, but I also do reviews and some other fun things. But what I was going to tell you is when I was in Costco, I was absolutely shocked. They had not one, and I mean not one, item for Halloween or Thanksgiving. It was crazy. I mean, it's only August. I walked in there and I'm like, oh my God, did we skip a couple of months? Is it Christmas? Everything was Christmas. I don't know, shame on you, Costco, unless they put them out in May and June, I don't know. There was nothing. No decorations, no costumes, zero. And it looked like Christmas was going to be in 2 weeks. So, while I was in there, I always have my phone with me. I took a few videos of all their Christmas things, and I'll probably make a video for you on it. But I just couldn't believe it. I think it's just a little too early. I mean, you want to put a few Christmas things out, Costco, fine. But where's all the rest of the stuff? We still have Halloween and Thanksgiving. It's only August. Yesterday, I had to go out and I was looking for a new bed pillow. So on my way home, I stopped at Home Goods. Home Goods was the complete opposite. There was not one Christmas item in there, and there were rows and rows and aisles full of Halloween and Thanksgiving merchandise. I took some videos of that to show you too. So, I mean, I don't know, there has to be a happy medium here, don't you think? So I know, everyone, all the stores are trying to make money. Last couple of years have been tough, but come on, that's just my personal opinion. A little Christmas, fine, but shame on you, Costco. Your bread is good, your pies are good. I enjoy shopping I enjoy shopping there, but no, you missed the boat on this one. So that's just my personal opinion. If you happen to be in there and you see this, give it a try. I think it's good. I would definitely put butter on it. And you know what? I would definitely try to even warm it up. Warm it up for a few seconds in the microwave. I think it'll even be better. So anyway, I'm going to finish eating this. And I'm sure when the rest of the family comes home and they see that a slice was taken out of this, they're going to be happy because now they can taste it. It was like, don't touch that because I'm doing a video. So anyway, thanks for taking a few minutes out of your time to watch this. I really appreciate you all. You know that. I love you all. And come on back. All right? So have a great week. See you soon. Toodles!